our playhouse. Today we're playing in a sand hill.
Hi and welcome to our playhouse. Come join us as we explore the construction site near our house. Here's something fun we found, a big sand pile. We're gonna take some time to play with our monster trucks in this. Come on!
What's happening over here to Gravedigger? Too fast for me, girl! Taking a nap in the sand.
This is my nice cozy bed.
You gonna stay here all night? You gonna stay here all night?
No!
You might get cold when that sun goes away. Mila doesn't know about it.
Way over here.
We're done with the sand for now. Let's go see what else we can find. Neat, we can use these two pieces of wood to cross over that big hole. You have to have good balance. Be careful. You can do it. Just walking across the trench here. Nice work. Nice work, guys.
You can go back, Maddie. Nice balancing. Hey, where are you going, buddy? Come on, little dinosaur. What'd you find, Maddie? What is it?
No.
A big yellow hose.
And another one's over there.
Another one is over there, huh? Look, it goes all the way. Oh yeah, I think something was wrapped around that. That I think that that little tiny yellow wire. Yeah, that's electrical wire. It was wrapped on that black spool there. And this big hose, this big yellow hose. we think is for gas. It's going all the way down there.
I can't feel it again.
And then they're gonna build the houses
I can't feel it again.
up on here.
I can't feel it again.
No, there's no gas in it right now. It's not hooked up yet because the houses aren't built yet. But see how it goes, look. It goes into the ground there, under the road.
Yeah.
It feeds right under the road and then it comes out on the other side over there.
Mom, watch this. Can I see this?
I'm throwing a little bit of dirt in there, yeah. They probably don't want too much dirt in there. They dug that all out. All right, should we go see what else we can find? Got it doing tricks there, Maddie. We found an excavator. It's a little mini excavator. Arms and a scoop.
What's the float on it?
Oh, yeah. It's got a little bulldozer part on the front, huh? And we found more of the yellow tubing, huh? You're gonna hop in it? Hey, be careful getting up there.
Hi.
You wave? Hey Carter, where are you? You're in the Look at its long arm. It has a light on it. Oh yeah, I think you're right. Up on this, is this a light? You're right, there's a light on it. So maybe he could work in the dark, huh? How? Yeah. Down from that? Okay, good. Good work. Can you wave bye-bye? Yep. Well, that helps him so it can work. This whole thing has a bunch of wires and stuff in it that make his big arm and scoop, his bucket, be able to work. Yeah, don't touch that. It's got a lot of grease on it. All that sticky, that like gooey kind of looking stuff is grease. So we don't want to touch that. That makes it so this is able to move really good when it's working. All right, grab Gravedigger.
Bye, thanks for watching. I'll show you after.
Drive him home. Found a flower. Ooh, that is pretty, Carter. Here, let's see it. The little red one. I don't know what kind of flower that is. Good find, dude.
Thank you so much for watching. We'd love it if you hit that subscribe button and join us in another video. See ya!